Sa Habakkuk chapter 1 verse 2, makikita po natin dyan na si Habakkuk po ay nagtatanong. Mula po sa verse 1 hanggang verse 4. So he looks around and we look around and we see the same thing. The question that Habakkuk said like 2,600 years ago is the same question that we do now, Ito rin yung mga nakikita natin. We still see violence. We still see injustice. We still see corruption and suffering in our country, just like in Judah. And Habakkuk felt like God was nowhere. And sometimes we do also like maybe God is so silent. Bakit tahimik ang Diyos? Bakit wala ang Diyos sa mga nangyayaring ito? And he was crying. And that lament, that deep sense of frustration and confusion is something that moved him to seek God, to seek the face of God. So kapag tayo po ay may nakikitang mga ganitong bagay, hindi po natin dapat kagaya ni Habakkuk questionin ang wisdom ng Diyos. Bagkus itulak tayo nito para hanapin ang mukha ng Diyos. Hanapin ang kalooban ng Diyos. Hanapin ang kapahayagan ng Diyos. So, questioning God is not a sign of weakness. Questioning God is not a sign of weak faith. But it is an expression of your longing for justice. Lord, where is justice? It is an expression of your seeking the face of God. Ito po ang pinapakita ng kwentong ito ni Habakkuk. His honesty invited him to bring his struggles to God. Okay? Ganon din po tayo. Kung tayo po ay nakakakita at nakakaranas ng mga bagay na mahirap unawain, ay dalhin po natin ang mga struggles na ito sa Diyos. At sabihin natin, Lord, hanggang kailan? Pwede po yun. Amen? Oh, it's okay. Amen. Lord, hanggang kailan ito? Amen. Hindi mo alam kung hanggang kailan, pero sa Diyos mo sinasabi, sa Diyos mo sinusumbong. At yun po yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit lalo kang lalapit sa Diyos. Lalong lalalim ang relasyon mo sa Diyos. Because all of your struggles, your doubt, your unbelief, your questions, you are honest enough to bring it all to God. Amen? So yun po yung gawin natin. He wasn't doubting God. He was not doubting God's existence. He was just questioning, where are you, God? He was questioning God's involvement. Why are you not stepping in? How long, sabi niya, how long will this go on? Amen? 6 years na, 7 years na, 8 years na, wala pa ring hustisya, di ba? 10 years na, wala pa ring hustisya. Gaano man katagal ang paghihintay mo, kapit lang. Amen? Kapit ka lang. Don't rebel against God. Just be like Habakkuk. Go closer to God. Lament. Long for answer. Don't rebel against God. Engage with God. Talk with God. Pray. Amen? Mag-pray ka lang. At yun po yung application nun sa ating mga buhay.